There is a hadith, Ta'budillah ka'annaka tara. Do ibadah as if you are seeing God. It means that if you are a true believer, if you are a true worshipper, then your thought becomes so strong that you feel that you are in the presence of God. If your iman is a discovery, a realization of God, if your worship is a true worship, then you strongly believe that you are living in the presence of God. This is the highest feeling. So without spirit, simply form is not ibadah. Prophet said, "Irji fasalli fa innaka lam tusalli." Go back and worship again, because your worship was not correct worship. It was spiritless worship. So it is not acceptable to God. So this is the real concept of worship in Islam.